Getting ready to leave. Rich is leaving. It's a transpennine 185 diesel multiple unit. Rich, as everyone knows me at this station, we shall get a blast. Hopefully. Yes, a great two-tone. Right, watch this, the back. Bro. Right, I do it. And a big shout out to Will and George. And please check out Will's channel, which is Eastcoast mainline trains. So please check it out, as it's greatly appreciated. And let's see what else shall turn up here at Northallerton. Enjoy, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much and enjoy. Thanks.